First of all, go to preply.com. You will see this interface, and here you can see my wallet. There are this much dollars, around about $83. So I click there, and here you can see the withdraw money. Then you will get a code on your mail. Then you will proceed, and after that, here you can see these are the options. Most of the time I go for Payoneer, and now I will select some amount, let's say $20, and then I'll click withdraw earnings. Here you can see it gave me an error because a minimum I need $23, then it will be done. Then I'll go to my Payoneer account, and here you can see $22 has been deposited. Now I'll go to Jazzcash, my Jazzcash account, and then in Jazzcash, here you can see the Payoneer option. I'll link my account with Payoneer, then I'll put my login details, my password in Gmail. I'll sign into my Payoneer account, and then I'll get a code on my mobile. Then I'll put it, I'll agree to this statement, and I'll log in to my Payoneer account, and now these two accounts are linked. Now I need to transfer, let's say $20 to my Jazzcash account. I press $20, and then I'll confirm the transaction. During that I need my code 2 point. I'll put that, and here you can see money is transferred to my account.